My name is Chef Patrick. I'm going to demonstrate on how to marinate salmon fish. I'm going to use my ingredients. Then after that I'm going to put in the chiller. Here is my ingredients. I have a black pepper. I have a brown sugar. I have a lemon juice. I have a honey. I have lemon zest. I have salt. I have olive oil. I have garlic paste and soy sauce. Now I'm going to mix my ingredients in a bowl. Then after that I marinate my salmon. Then I put into the chiller for 30 minutes for ingredients to incorporate. I'll start with the black pepper. Then brown sugar. After that, my lemon zest. Then olive oil. Then honey. Then my lemon juice. After that, my garlic paste. Then my salt. And I finish with my soy sauce. Then after that, I'm going to mix my ingredients so that they incorporate. Then after that, I'm going to put my salmon fish. I put my salmon fish. Then I put ingredients, marination to incorporate. Then I make sure all my salmon, it has a good marination. Then after that I'm going to cover. Then I'm going to cover and I put into the chiller for 30 minutes. Then after that I'm going to grill my salmon. This is my mashed potato. I have salt, black pepper, butter and milk. I'm going to mix my mashed potato together. The one I'm going to serve as my starch. Now I'm going to put butter. I'm going to mix the butter. Remember, butter is used to soften the mashed potato and also is adds flavor. Then I'm going to add some salt as a seasoning, black pepper a little bit as a seasoning. Then I mix together. After that I'm going to put milk. Remember, milk is used for softening and also it adds flavor. I add some milk, as you can see, to make my mashed potato soft. Then also remember, my salmon is inside the chiller. After that means I'm going to grill my salmon. Then I'm going to serve it with my mashed potato as my starch. And this is my spinach, the one I'm going to serve with as a vegetable. I'm going to add some seasoning, a little bit of salt for seasoning. Then after that, I'm going to make hollandaise sauce. I'm going to use egg yolk, butter, lemon juice, black pepper and salt. Then I'm going to mix my butter into my egg yolk until it melts. Then I'm going to add lemon juice. I mix it until it mixes together. Then after that I'm going to add my seasoning, which is a salt, a pinch, and black pepper. Then I'm going to mix it, and then my holiday sauce is ready for service. Then now I'm going to grill my salmon after 30 minutes of marination. Remember, my grill is hot. Now I'm going to grill my salmon until it's golden brown. Remember, my mashed potato is ready. My spinach is also ready. And my holiday sauce is ready. And they are in warmer, because my food, I'm going to serve it in a temperature of 75 degrees and above, which is above the danger zone, whereby danger zone starts from 5 degrees to 65 degrees. So my salmon is almost ready for service. Remember also, my plate is in the warmer, whereby I'm going to serve. My salmon is ready for service. Now I'm going to present my salmon. This is my plate. Remember, my plate is warm. It's my decoration for plate. Then I'm going to put my starch, my mashed potato. It is in piping bag. This is my mashed potato, which is also warm. I'm going to put decoration for my mashed potato for a nice presentation. Then after that, I'm going to put my salmon. This is my well done golden salmon. It's my salmon. Then after that, I'm going to put my vegetables, which is spinach. This is my spinach. It's also warm. Then I'm going to present it into my plate. It's my spinach. I'm going to put it at the center of my between my salmon and my mashed potato. Then after that, I'm going to put my holiday sauce, the one I'm going to serve with my mashed potato. This is my holiday sauce. It's also warm. My holiday sauce. Then after that, I'm going to garnish a little bit of my mashed potato with grilled tomato and lemon slice. My grilled tomato and my lemon slice as my garnish for my mashed potato. Now I'm done with my presentation, and this is my final product.